Hey, good morning. I'm just going to record a short video just for those that have never used the MarketWatch website to give them a brief overview of how to log in, how to make a trade, how to sell something for anybody that's willing to or wanting to take part in the game. So, real quick up here, here is I'm going to go to the plain old website, marketwatch.com. I know many of you guys, I just sent you a link right to the game. Either way, this will all work out. The sign up process, most of you guys are more computer literate than me. If you just click on sign up, you go through the sign up process and join MarketWatch. Make sure you don't pay for anything. This is a pay website. They do try to get you to pay for stuff, um, which I'm not liking this. Let me go back. And know that you have the ability that if you want, you can sign up just using Google. I'm going to go to the login page. There we go. If for those of you with the school accounts, you can just sign in with Google. Since we're not in school, I could really care less if you sign in with Facebook, but just find a way to sign in. If you don't want to sign in with Google or with Facebook, you can register and go through the process, put in your name and everything. They'll ask you some questions, just answer them. It doesn't matter what you answer. They'll ask you what your job is, how much money you make. It's still a stock market website. They care about money more than anything else. Um, but create your account and everything. So I'm going to sign in. All right. Now again, you may find there's different ways to get here. Again, if you have the URL that goes right to the game, it should be. Go to Google Classroom where I had posted the link. Just pick one of these classes. So here's the link to the game. I'm already logged in. Remember, the password to get in is Gators. The purpose of this is really not to make sure that you can get in and create an account. If you have questions with that, if you're having problems, just let me know. Really, all I care about is that you know how to make a trade. A little bit about your stock game here. There's four tabs here to pay attention to. You have your overview, which will give you the basic gist of the game. It'll show you a leaderboard. Right now, it's just me. I'm all alone. So lonely. Then you have the start date of the game. I put an end date, which would be near the end of the school year. The number of players. Four other people have signed up, but they haven't made any trades yet. So they must have signed up after the stock market closed yesterday. This shows you your portfolio. So far I own in one day Amazon, Walmart, and 3M, who makes face masks for doctors and nurses. I am getting pummeled in one day already. You click on portfolio, it gives you a little bit more detail about your portfolio, how much you've made, how much you've lost. It gives you your history, your purchasing history, your pending orders. You can click on rankings again. I'm so lonely by myself at the moment. All right. So as far as buying and selling stuff, it is currently 6:13 in the morning. I'm not going to be able to actually buy anything because this game mirrors and mimics the real stock market. Stock market does not open until 9:30 in the morning in the US and it closes at 4 in the afternoon. So you can buy and sell anything you want during the course of the day, but unfortunately, I'm not really going to be able to show you too much. Like I can show you how to do something. So if you want to buy something, up here in this search box where it says enter company or symbol, I'm just going to pick a company. I'm going to choose a company that most of us will know, and I'm going to pick, they're going to be a really bad decision given the circumstances, Nike. Just going to start typing in Nike. You should not buy Nike because no one needs Nike in an apocalypse. So here's Nike. Up here you'll see it says buy, sell short, which if this was a normal class situation, I would explain to you what selling short means. Buying to cover. I'm not going to get into selling short and buying to cover, at least today. If we continue to be quarantined and locked up, maybe I'll be bored enough and you'll be bored enough to want to learn about those. Really, what matters is buy and sell. Now, I don't have any to sell because I don't own it. And I have very little money. I probably have enough money to buy one share. I have like $80 left over. So I'm going to buy one share in Nike, which is stupid. But I'm still going to do it just to show you. I'm going to hit on submit order. Now, what you do is you just drag this dragger and you can choose how many you want. But because I have so little money left over, I can't buy anything. So I'm going to buy one share of Nike. Boom. I bought it. Now, it won't actually go into my portfolio until 9:30 in the morning. So, if you're buying stuff and it's not showing up, like you'll see on my bar, there's this tiny little sliver of blue. It says it's on hold. That means I bought it. I just don't have it yet. If I go to my pending orders, you'll see I have NKE, buy at market open. If I choose to, I can cancel it if I wish, which honestly, buying Nike in a pandemic and global apocalypse is stupid, so I'm going to cancel that. Yes, cancel order. I don't want Nike. And it'll go away. Now, if I want to sell something, if I look at my portfolio here, I have Amazon, Walmart, and 3M. I decide that I don't want Amazon. I'm going to click on Amazon. You're going to see this blue Trade Now button. Click on that. Now, rather than buy, I'm going to click on sell. And now here's where you can see the little draggy option. I'm going to sell most of my Amazon. If I scroll down, you can see how much money I'm going to make per share, $1,880. I'm selling 15 shares. I'm going to pay a $10 commission fee. I'm going to pay $28,203.95. If I'm happy, I hit submit order. My order has been submitted. Now again, I'm going to hit refresh just to make sure this is all loading. You'll see nothing has changed on here. It's because it's 6:17 in the morning. But if I go down to my pending orders, you will see that I have an order to sell my Amazon at the stock market open. So you can buy and sell stocks anytime you want. If it's the middle of the weekend, if it's the middle of the night, you can buy and sell stuff. You can put orders in. It won't go into effect until, or won't go into place until the stock market opens the next real time. Beyond that, I mean, if we were in class, we would actually be sitting down talking about how to value a stock, what to look at. There's an extra element of challenge. Good luck. You know nothing, many of you know nothing about the stock market. You don't know how to value a stock. Talk to your parents, talk to your grandparents, read, follow the stock market, watch the news, do whatever. Try to figure out what companies should you buy during a global pandemic to try to make some money. Somebody's going to make money off this. Just a matter of who is it. Is it going to be you or is it going to be somebody else? So clearly, right now, one day in, a combination of Amazon, Walmart, and 3M is not doing it for me. I lost a little bit of money already, $1,300 in one day yesterday. So, and that was in a good stock market day. Yesterday was a good day. You're lucky that we have not started off. I'm going to show you something. The Dow Jones Industrial Index is the leading stock market statistic that shows overall wealth and growth and whatnot. Here's the Dow Jones Industrial Index growth over the last, I don't know, I'm going to say the course of my lifetime plus, so about the last 40 years. You can see how it's steadily, mostly grown over time. There's some peaks and valleys. And here's about the last, I'm going to go right here. Here's about where Donald Trump became president. This spot right here on the chart. And we climbed a couple of valleys, we kept climbing, and this right here, this is us right now. That decline. Yeah, if you own stock right here and you still owned it here, you lost roughly 1/3 of your money. This is not very fun. Like, that's real economic pain. People that rely on that money, people that are retired, they are not very happy right now. So, yeah, it's been a rough little time here. Here's another version of it. You got the last 5 years only, up and up and up and up and up and up. And really about the last month, boom, down. Here's just the last year. You can get a better look of it. And it just plummeted. So, and it's going to keep plummeting. Most analysts right now are saying that the Dow Jones may get down as low as 15,000 points, which would put it back where it was probably 6, 7 years ago. So we might lose 6 or 7 years more worth of money. So it's going to be a rough go of it in the stock market. Good luck. Take the challenge. Maybe I'll post more videos. I don't know. Not sure how bored I'll be. All right. Bye. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Don't cough on people.